Okay, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be doing this Badland ZXR 3,500 pound winch. Going to be putting it on the Polaris Sportsman 570, and I got the bracket for this model four-wheeler, so everything should go good. Came with this bracket, but definitely isn't going to work. You need one of these, about $25 on Amazon or eBay. And it comes with the directions. Pretty nice powder coat job. All the hardware comes with it. Plug and play. Hopefully all this stuff lines up. If it doesn't, I got a drill press right here and we'll drill it out. But we'll open this up, take a look at it. Comes with all your wires. It's got everything you need. This is a hookup for the extension off to the side of the four-wheeler. Right here, this little control has like a 20-foot cable, so you can hook it up, and this goes to the handlebars. It's got everything you can think of. So we're gonna get this all unboxed and get this on the four-wheeler and. Okay, there it is. All the parts all laid out. Got your circuit breaker. It's got all kinds of good parts in it. All the wiring looks really good and thick. This is some good stuff here. This must be a relay. Okay guys, we're gonna get this all together and we'll get a test trial going and kind of pull some logs that I got out in the woods with it. But we'll at least get this all together and you can see how this works on this newer style four-wheeler. Okay, we're going to start by taking off this. This is where the winch is going to come out, so this little cover is going to come off, and we'll get this part here off also. Okay, now we're going to get this wiring all done here. Diagram right there, all labeled. I got to find a place for all this stuff to go. Let's get to it. There's a spot right here that says winch. There's a hole, and these wires are long enough. The yellow and blue that go to the winch, and I'm going to put the relay up into here so it's not going to be under the water. I have enough room. Alright, we're going to get these wires run down to the winch. Okay, these are labeled. This little ring right here shows yellow, and the other one looks blue, just like this. So that's where the wires are going to go. Okay, so this Badland is pretty sweet. It's got it all labeled like little paint dots for the color wires. So you got yellow, blue, red, and black. So I was able to find an accessory plug for the ignition wire, and I tested it with a light tester. So I have this that I'm gonna solder in, and then this style should plug into that, and I'll just run with that for now, and if I have a problem I'll change that out later. But it looks like it might be for like hand warmers or something, but it works with the ignition switch, and that's what this wire is for. So that goes to the wiring harness. So when you turn this on, the whole system turns on, and then you can be able to shut that off so it doesn't draw power. So right there you have it. There's one of the orange and white accessory plugs that are right there. And that was the soldering connection I used. So alright, we're going to get the rest of this wired up. I'm going to chop all this excess out and use these, and we'll tidy up this wiring so we don't need all this extra wiring, because this is normally designed for a battery that's like under the rear seat of a four-wheeler, but now these batteries are up forward, so there's not as much distance that we got to cover. So we'll get this wiring cut up and where we need it. There you have it, all back together. Wires all run nice and neat. I mean, it's the best I could get for now. I think it'll be good that it's out of the way. See how this closes. Yeah, there's no issues there. I got plenty of clearance. It's not hitting. Okay, we'll turn the key on here. See if this winch works. Alright, go out. Go in. Go out. Go out, in. And I've hooked up. I just zip tied that up there for now because I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. But it should be fine for now. For this controller. Turn this around. There's out. There's in. And this has got quite the distance on it, so you can get out of the way. All right, now we're going to get this back together on the front of this. Guys, the Badland 3500 ZXR looks good, looks clean. I just kind of let that free floating so it's not rubbing up against stuff. Got that there on a zip tie. Just break that zip tie free when you need to use it. All right.